Good afternoon, everyone. This is Dr. Bhupesh from Dr. BKM Institutes, and today we are going to discuss this writing. And I have this letter is one of the most difficult letters, but thanks to the institute who has created this question paper, most probably I'm not quite sure. Maybe it's by pass OET. I'm not quite sure, but thanks to the institute who has created this question paper. And I would just like to go through this thing again. Dr. BKM Institutes, we primarily serve you people to get you the best answer papers prepared. So for this letter also, I'm going to do the same. So you are the community nurse, you're writing to Suzanne Matthews. Again, I told you that this is the most common letter which is coming in the exams, and it is kind of a letter, मतलब it's alternatively, मतलब ये तो common ही हो रहा है कि GP को letter लिखना है. This apostrophe S plays a massive role. Apostrophe S means that you are writing to this person's GP, means this woman's, the lady's GP. यानी कि इस inverted comma का मतलब क्या है? That GP already knows the patient. He is the professional GP, primary physician of Suzanne. That means that this GP knows about social history. That means Dr. Maria, the GP, she knows about the social history, medical history of Suzanne Matthews. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write it this way, that if I write this letter, then the first line should be Dr. Maria Jones. Done. Then comma is not required. Then I would say GP, general practitioner, or I can say doctor. I can say doctor as well. And then I will say 128 Blacks Road. That is how you write. For the people who have exam, then you say Lonsdale, and then you say SA 5123. Then you will write today's date. Today's date appears to be 20th November. And capital 20th November. And then you say 2000. Forgive me for the spelling. So for spelling is something that is a bit of haywire for me because I'm not good at typing. So I'm just going to write this thing, November. And then you say, respected sir, madam, regarding. So you said, dear sir, madam. और यहाँ पे तो dear Dr. Jones. So this is better here. And then you will say regarding who is the person. This is the person. Regarding, I'm writing this letter regarding Suzanne Matthews. So I will say Mrs. Suzanne Matthews. I don't know if she's married, then I will say MRS. If she's not married, then I will say MS. So Suzanne Matthews. And then I will say aged I will get to know priorly. So this is the pattern of OET. And then you will start writing this letter is being written. I hope all the new YouTube followers can see all this. This letter is being written regarding. So this is the normal pattern. And just I'm talking about the pattern first now. By chance, I have started it. So you make 4 or 5 paragraphs. In the last, you will say yours sincerely. But in this, the name is given. So name is given, I will say sincerely. क्योंकि यहाँ पे I know the name of Dr. Jones. Otherwise, अगर मुझे नाम नहीं पता तो I will say yours faithfully. अगर नाम पता है, if I know the name, then I will write yours sincerely registered nurse. Yours sincerely registered nurse. Spelling again, forgive me. And उससे पहले नाम, sorry, मेरा नाम दिया नहीं हुआ है मेरा, so I won't write the name. अगर नाम दिया था, so I would have written Mrs. Y, whatever this is registered nurse. Otherwise, name is not given, so I will say this. अगर मेरा designation या hospital दिया है, तो I will write my hospital name as well. Yeah, so that is how. अगर नाम दिया है, तो मैं इसको लिखूंगा. So this is the pattern for OET thing. So you need to understand that is how you need to execute this thing. So अब बीच वाले लेटर की बात करते हैं. I'm sorry I took you to some other way, but हाँ, वैसे मैं इतना रिकॉर्ड कर लेता हूँ. I will make a separate video of this thing. So I'm just going to record this letter again, but this I will write it as a pattern of OET letter. So this I will upload a separate video. So I'm just going to hold the video for now. And thanks for listening to me patiently. This is Dr. Bhupesh from Dr. BKM Institutes. Now we will start the letter again. by chance I was going through this thing, so I thought that I should also mention about these things, how to write the OET letter, what's the pattern. So thank you.